one thing I'd also like to add is so to confirm. So these are the the wires controlling the contactors, pre-contactor, and then the positive and negative. Those seem like they work properly in the sense that they turn on. This turns on for a little while. The voltage comes up. I've tested the voltage here and also in here. I'm getting that same number. Then of course we have these are the can 2, and this is the can 1. So that's feels like it's okay. I'm getting numbers on those. These three I've spliced. I used to have this box. I got rid of all that, and I spliced it directly in there. So this splices into two negatives. This solid green goes into two positives, and then this is the I think it's the ignition wire. The only thing I can say about that is for some reason that the voltage is coming out of here. I would expect it to come out of this black wire, which is coming from the thing. How do I get it to focus on this thing? Well, it won't focus. Doesn't matter. It's the that relay for the PG relay. So this and this both. It's actually all positive. On all this these are all positive wires. These three, and then here is the relay turns on the PG relay. It's the only thing that it actually does. So I guess is that correct? That it should be the 12 volts should now be coming from the motor inverter, waiting here until this is turned on, and then the PG relay turns on. I'm assuming that's correct. I see T15 showing up on here whenever I turn T15 on, so that I feel comfortable with. It's strange that the power comes from the 12 volts is coming from the the green wire from the inverter itself, the motor inverter, not from the zombie or something else. But that could be by design. I'm not really sure. What else can I tell you about the system? Is nothing else really interesting. The drive mode that turns on. I can see that happening on the website. The brake, I can see dim brake turning on. I can see the pot, of course, and that's it. I don't really know what else I'm missing here. Somebody said maybe I guess it's called a rectifier. That's it. Oh, somebody else is asking about positive. I do not have this hooked up. I don't know. That should be a positive here, right? And I have a negative. Is that part of it?